Alright guys, what I'm gonna show to you now is on how to install this template with all of these indicators. We got two Ichimoku in here. This is our regular Ichimoku, and then this one is our 5 minutes Ichimoku, and also we've got some moving average and Bollinger Bands, and also this time remaining indicators. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna extract the file that you've already downloaded. You're gonna see two folders, indicators and template, and then you can go back to your mt4, open a new empty chart. You're gonna click file, open data folder, and you're gonna see this mkl4 folders. You're gonna click it, and then you're gonna open indicators. Now from here you need to go back to the previous downloaded folders, open indicators. You're gonna select them all and then copy them to the mkl4 indicators folders. Next thing to do is you're gonna go back to the mt4. You're gonna view navigators, and then you're gonna right click the indicators folders and then refresh them. And after that you're gonna right click in mt4 on template and then click load template. Open the downloaded folders. Our previous folder was indicators and the second one is template. So you're gonna click this template. There we go. So you're just gonna click the 5 minutes charts. You can see that when you click 5 minutes, the Ichimoku is becoming 1 in here. Only 1 in here, because when we click 1 minute time frame, the Ichimoku, there will be 2 Ichimoku here, as you can see this. This is the 5 minute Ichimoku, and then these are the one is the recent Ichimoku, the 1 minute time frame Ichimoku. So that's how we're going to use it, and that's all. You can save the template also in your template folder. You might gonna name it to Patreon trade. So when you want to open another chart, this one is Euro USD. Example is you're gonna open Euro Australian dollars. You're gonna go to 1 minute time frame, right click template, and then you're just gonna click this template in here, Patreon trade, because it's already there. We've already saved the previous template here. Now click it, and it's automatically installed in here. If you still see this 5 minute Ichimoku is still going ugly like this, you might need to go first to the 5 minute time frames, and then you're gonna go back again to the 1 minute time frames. Now it's already shown correctly in here. Okay, I guess that's all that I need to do in here. Hope you enjoy this and have a good trade. Thank you.